here we are. Sorry, we're just gonna continue on. So as I was saying, so this was so just trying to understand what's happening here. So this over here is the instructor, the overall instructor, sorry, constructor for view object. The view object also happens to be receiving something from the parent from its parent class. It has a parent class that's inheriting attributes. To get those attributes of the parent, we're going to use super. And of that, within that we are passing parent. This is a very interesting thing because I don't understand. Okay, so parent itself is calling widget. Widget itself is calling all of these pack place and pack place grid as well as the base widget. Let's see what the base widget is. Okay. Constructor widget with the parent class master. Widget name, appropriate options. Not exactly too sure this all means. Instance, if the instance object that else if instance CNF of type object class tuple or so they're basically passing the parent parameter into the init of the constructor for the parent So the parameter parent, we're going to be passing that parameter into the parent's constructor. Mm-hmm. It's also interesting that the title itself didn't show up. It actually just showed up as a fact. Oh, wait a second. I feel like I have another execute function somewhere set up that it's not being named this thing. Hmm. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I'm actually going to quickly do another sample problem with this whole structure of parents and child classes in which the parent needs another attribute to be initialized. So let me try that. Maybe that'll help my understanding. But just before I move on to that, let's see. Okay then. Okay. So views here. So I'm trying to see if everything is done right at least. Because I think I'd see what's happening with the parent, passing on the parent to the parent's constructor. Just want to quickly just make sure of the rest. For the app, FTK, self, super. Okay. Okay, then controller, let me see. So that's replace that. That's good. Now, problem that I'm having. Oh, right, because the view is not being shown. Oh, sucks. Grid, and then in that, we can just do row equals 0. That's going to show in within the right. So now let's go ahead and do so we have that, and we're also passing on. How come now our submit function is not working? Still submit dot thing, it's not working because excuse me. Oh wait, hang on. I think I haven't done something. Oh, right. And then self.model.work. And that should actually present us with the data itself. Whatever we enter, we're going to see right here. Okay, perfect. Great. Now, technically, we can do we could really just in this work we could take that title and send it as into an SQL query beside like where title equals whatever, and then it'll spit back us whatever we want, or so on and so forth. I'm gonna take a quick pause. I want to clarify what's going on with this whole class parent and child class stuff. So I'm gonna create another video for that, and let's see how that one goes.